Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can decrease the video speed or the speed of your video clip in the CapCut video editor. So let us get started. Now if you'd like to slow down your video clip, guys, let me go with that video clip on my timeline. All you need to do is select it on your timeline, navigate to the settings in top right corner and switch from the video tab to the speed tab, and here simply use that slider to adjust your video clip speed. As you can see, it is set to 1 on default. You may use these arrow up and arrow down buttons to either increase the speed or to decrease. So let us slow the video down to, let's say, 0.5. So you will see that slider here also, guys, and you will see also the effects on that video clip's length here on your timeline. So let me just zoom out a bit so that we may see the entire length of the video clip. And now we can play it in the preview, for instance, and you will see, yeah, the speed has slowed down significantly to 0.5 maximum speed. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.